I feel like I'm filming another like why I disappeared. Yeah. So my life's a mess. I feel like from an outsider's perspective, my life looks pretty great. And I mean, there are days when it's like pretty great. I was dancing with in New York.
Wait, who no killed that? Fucking shame. I don't know what the fuck's happening.
Those moments, it's so good. But I feel like the only way I can word this is exactly how Mia did in her video. Oh my fuck, I don't even know what she said.
This video isn't just about appearance. It is about healing my body from the inside and out, and the appearance just follows because when you take care of yourself, it shows. Was I self-sabotaging because I was depressed, or was I depressed because I was self-sabotaging?
Thank you, Mia, for all those insightful words that I just took from your video. And then my brain said, you know how you can fix all your issues? Do you know how you can do it? Do the 75 hard. Hey besties, get ready with me while I tell you guys about the 75 hard. I feel like everyone and their bloody dog is doing this at the moment. Like every YouTuber is doing 75 hard. Everyone on TikTok, like anyone who is anyone is doing the freaking 75 hard. And I'm jumping on the bandwagon. So this morning we had our body scans at the gym, and this piece of paper is my scan results. I would like to preface that I don't even want to talk about them, that me doing this is probably not the best thing to be doing like for my mental health. Alrighty besties, so it is the day before 75 hard starts. I am doing some prepping. I'm cleaning my room up a bit, taking down the Christmas decorations. Finally, you know, trying to start this off like semi on a good foot. And on this mirror right here, I'm gonna do the countdown. Tomorrow is the day I am clocking off. I am going to bed. I just got back from dinner with a friend. I had my last alcoholic drink, my last unhealthy meal at a restaurant. Oh, she's leaking when I shake her like that. We're off to the gym. Hey besties, I haven't spoken to you all day. I'm having dinner. I'm having rice, tuna, and an egg with a little bit of pepper. Alright, we're getting ready to go for our walk. It's currently raining. I'm in such a good mood. We're going to listen to Pink's set list while we walk today. Because me and Mum are going to Pink. And then each day we're going to alternate, I've decided, between Pink and Taylor. So my mum can learn all the songs. I had nowhere near the protein I'm supposed to be having. So my mum pulled this little bad boy out. I'm reading Make You Happen by Jordana Levin. Guys, do you hear that? Do you hear that? I drank it all. Do I have to pee really bad right now? Oh yeah. Oh, she was more stuck on than I thought. So yeah, I'm currently doing the 75 hard. Is it helping? It's not actually. I don't know. I mean, I'm just in a weird mental mindset. Did I have my psychotic break because of a boy? I want to say no, but we would all know that's a lie. If anyone says you didn't have a psychotic break, you didn't have a manic episode. Look, I might not have, but goddamn, the last couple weeks concerning behavior. I quit a job. Almost quit 2 jobs. I dyed my hair twice at home. I redid half of my room. That's also why my room is so messy, in my opinion. Could be wrong, but like that's what I used to gaslight myself. I started cleaning my room and now everything's just on my bed. Hey sexy legends, what is up besties, and welcome to another video. So as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm doing a yearly reset. A little late into the year, I know, but I was on holidays, so it's fine. And my room was a disaster when I got home last night. So yeah, we gotta clean that up, and I need to like deep clean my room and throw shit out, you know? do that reset stuff. You know what? Someone once said that hot girls are messy girls. Is anyone else bad at cleaning, or is it just me? Because I just procrastinated cleaning the stuff that's on my bed so like I can sleep by fixing my like little bookshelf thing. Like, I'm sorry, what? I mean, it looks good now though, like look. Aw, look how clean she is. She's so cute. I'm gonna be so real with you guys right now. I had a 3-hour nap and then I sat on TikTok. All the content I was making, I hate. Every video that I've looked at, I hate. I looked back on my old videos, hate them. Tried to think, what content do I want to put on my YouTube channel? Literally thought of one type of videos that I want to do at the moment. They cost money, and look, I might be impulsive and be booking a trip to Hawaii with my friend. I don't have money to spend for a video that may not make me money back. This is how I know I'm spiraling, because I don't have motivation. I don't have inspiration. I don't want to be in the same place that I was March last year. That is the biggest thing. And think that's why I'm like, ha ha ha, fuck you, I'ma fix this. I feel like I sound dead inside. Maybe I am dead inside.